Girl, I look crazy. Hello, you guys. I feel like this is a little too close. Hold up. What is up, you guys? So I thought I would share with you guys something I'm doing. It's just Sunday and I randomly ordered this lash and brow lamination and lift kit off of Amazon, and so I thought I would just share with you guys how I do it, how it turns out. I've never done this before, but if you look at my brows, they're pretty full, but they tend to like go down, so they look a lot thinner than what they are when they're pushed up, and I like the shape of them pushed up a lot more. I'm not going for like the super spiky brow look. That's not really my jam, but I do want them to stay pretty straight up so I don't have to use so much product on them. So I bought this kit from Amazon. I'll have it linked in the description box. I think it was about $30, which I thought was pretty reasonable, because if you go get your brows laminated or your lashes lifted professionally, they're much more expensive. I probably won't be doing a lash lift on myself. Anything too close to the eyes kind of is a cringy for me, so I'm just gonna do my brows today, I believe. So let's open up the kit. When you open up the kit, this is what it looks like. So you have these brow pads. You stick these over your brows while they are you know, setting in and everything like that. You have the adhesive right here. You have these little picks almost. I don't know if I'll use those. I think those are probably for the lashes. You have the step 1, which is the lifting, step 2 is the setting, and step 3 is the nutrition. Y brushes, I don't know what that means. This is a cute little kit though. So this is what the Y brushes look like. I have no idea what you use that for. This is kind of like a little brush on the end, so I wonder if that's how you move them up. I wish they would have given you a spoolie, but maybe they did, I don't know. So if you were to do a lash lift, you would use this little thing. I believe you stick this above your eyes and then pull up all of your lashes. I won't be using this today, but if you wanted to use it for a lash lift, that's exactly what it is. Treatment tool, this is the micro brush and mascara wands. Okay, so this is the spoolies that I was looking for. So you get a lot of these little spoolie brushes and then these little tiny brushes for your lashes. And then each one of these comes with 4 different packets, so you can use this kit up to 4 times. Okay, so brow lamination instructions. Apply a thin layer of the adhesive, which is this. How much is a thin layer? I want to try and cover everything though. Y'all, clearly I don't have a foundation that matches my skin tone right now. So please disregard. We don't need that. That comment, I'm well aware. Okay, so I just put on the adhesive. Now you're supposed to comb the hairs in the direction you want them to sit. So I want them to sit up like this. The really long unruly ones I'll probably trim down after, but for now, have them sit up like this. Damn, they don't play with that glue. Oh God, I don't want them to be this spiky, but okay. Next, put on step 1. Okay. Looking crazy. Okay, cover area with cling film. Okay, hey Siri, set a timer. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this on for 6 minutes and then I will come back and we're gonna remove all of this and then we do the setting lotion and do 6 minutes again and then clean it off and we good. So let's take this off. I'm scared. Okay. That one got a little effed up. Shit. Okay, next. Why did I just drop that on my directions sheet? Remove the product thoroughly with a clean, dry cotton round. I'm just using paper towel. Smells like Nair. That's what it smells like, which is concerning. But my eyebrows have not fallen off yet, so it's not Nair, but it does smell like it. Yep, no eyebrows fell off. Okay, how fucked up would that be if they put Nair in one of these things? Okay, use a clean micro brush to apply setting lotion. So let's move on to setting lotion. Okay, let me move these suckers back up. If you have sensitive skin, I probably wouldn't do this because I don't have sensitive skin, but I can kind of feel the stuff on. I don't know if you're supposed to. I've never done this before, but it did make my skin feel a little sensitive. Okay, setting lotion 1. They're looking real freaking spiky. That is not what I want, but we're gonna trim them down later. Girl, I look crazy. Four more minutes on the timer. I'll check back after and kind of give you guys my final opinions. Can't take myself seriously. Okie dokie. Boom. So, they're sitting more upright, I will say. Alrighty. Well, that's something. They're looking pretty good, I would say. Again, don't mind my foundation lines. I think they're looking definitely much more full. This one is always my problem brow. Like, girl, get it together. This one's cool, but this one, she's the struggle bus. I think it worked okay. I mean, I probably could have set them a little bit longer, I'm thinking, but I do like how they turned out. I think it's gonna help me a lot when I'm filling in my brows regularly. So yeah, I would say, you know, give it a try. It was super easy to use. Just make sure you follow the instructions on the back. If you're gonna do the lash lift, I can't give you any recommendation about that. That freaks me out a little bit. I feel like it gets too close to the eyes. And this is like perm ingredients. This is the stuff you do for a perm. So, yeah, I'd be careful doing a lash lift, but for eyebrows, it was really easy to do. I think they are sitting up much straighter. It's gonna be really easy to touch them up. You can do this up to 5 times, so that's really nice. You know, this is a reusable kit. I love getting kits from Amazon, like beauty kits, because it's something you can do really quick at your own home. Like this took me 20 minutes and you know, it's just a little something you can do. You can save money by doing it yourself. Like this is definitely something you can do on your own. It doesn't require any skill. I would say the lash lift probably requires some skill. I would be hesitant to do a lash lift on yourself because you know your eyes. You gotta see what you're doing and you're doing it on yourself. So I don't know, maybe do it, maybe don't, I don't know. But as far as a brow lamination, this is a really easy kit to use and it was super affordable, $30. That's the price of getting it done one time at a salon. So the fact that you can do this 5 times is really neat. So overall, I think it was a fun product to try out. Again, the exact kit I am using will be linked below. Make sure to subscribe and let me know what other types of beauty kits you want me to try out. You guys, I've tried them all out. I've tried polygel nails, waxing at home, gel manicures. I've tried everything, so I'm not afraid to do a little at-home beauty DIY kits. So let me know what else you guys would like to see me try, and thank you again so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.
Gas in a motherfucking nosebleed. ever met.